In this video, I'll detail how to turn off or disable aeroplane mode on Redmi. So if you're using a Redmi phone and you want to disable or turn off aeroplane mode, to hide this icon and bring back your Redmi phone network, you need to turn off or disable the aeroplane mode. So if I done on this video, if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn off aeroplane on your Redmi, click on the settings icon. Then on the settings page, scroll down and click on more connectivity options. Here locate airplane mode and toggle this off. That's going to turn off airplane mode, and after that this is going to bring back your Redmi network. See that? Another way you can use to turn off or disable airplane mode is through the control center. If you have the airplane mode active just like this, just locate the airplane mode in the control center and then click on it once. Then you should see airplane mode is off, and this is going to turn off airplane mode on your Redmi and bring back the network. So this is how you can easily turn off or disable airplane mode on Redmi phone. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.